how to enable or disable mail app you send from an alias email address on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we tap on the Apple ID account at the top. Then tap on iCloud. Then tap on iCloud Mail. Next, go down and tap on Addresses. Then tap on the Alias email address. And we go down and tap on Send From. Tap on the toggle button to disable or enable the mail app to send from this alias email address. And that's it. After, you can tap on the done button to save the changes. Then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.